Hello students, today I am going to teach you computer class 4 chapter 3 video 2 and the name of the chapter is tools of word processor. Today we will learn about how to copy and paste the text. Earlier we learned how to move text using Ctrl X shortcut key and Ctrl V for paste, or using mouse right click, and from that context menu you can use cut and paste button, or from the screen also from menu commands you can use. So today we will learn how to copy and paste the text. Copying text means duplicating text by keeping the particular piece of text at its original location as well as pasting it on another location. This feature helps us to save our time and effort in typing. Just like the moving operation, copying operation can be also carried in three different ways. Using copy and paste button in the clipboard group to copy and paste the selected text respectively at the desired location, or you can use the keyboard. You can use shortcut keys Ctrl C and Ctrl V combination to copy and paste text, or you can use mouse, means from context menu you can use copy and paste. So from three ways, these are the three ways through which you can copy and paste your text. Let's see how to do. Suppose I want to copy this essay on computer and its uses. So I will select this text first. Then I will click on, from home, I will click on copy, and I want to paste it over here. So I will use paste option. Now look, this text is copied over here. Now the second way, this is from clipboard. Second way, using shortcut key from keyboard. Select the text, press Ctrl plus C, and if you want to paste here, click here and click Ctrl, just press the key Ctrl plus V, and the text is copied from here to here. And the third way is select the text, right click, click on copy. If you want to paste here, right click, select here. So bring your cursor here and just right click and click on paste option like this. So these are the three ways. First from clipboard, second from shortcut keys keyboard, and third from context menu right click, and from here you can do this copy and paste. Deleting text. Word provide facility to erase text. Follow these steps, select the text, press delete key, the text will be removed. You can also delete text by using backspace key. It removes the character to the left of the cursor position. To delete a block of text, select the text and then press either the delete key or the backspace key. So how to delete? Select the text and press delete button, or click here, and you can use backspace also like this, or left hand side you can use delete button. Okay, so you can use this backspace, it will delete left hand side, and delete key, it will delete right hand side like this. Or you can select the text simply and you can press delete button. So this is the way how to delete your text. Select it simply, use backspace key or delete button and delete your text. Now using undo and redo commands. Microsoft Word keeps track of all the changes that we make in a document. Means it saves all the changes that what we do in a document. We can easily undo any change and restore the original text. Suppose any text is deleted by me by mistake and I want my text again. What I can do? To reverse the command or to go one step back, I can use undo button. Or to redo, to come back again at the same position, I can use redo, means just opposite of undo. Look, suppose I deleted this by mistake. Now I realized that it is a big fault. I have deleted it, but I need this text. What I will do, I will press Ctrl plus Z for undo. Ctrl plus Z, and the text has been written. Now you can see. So reversing the command. If I thought that earlier it was okay, so I can press Ctrl Y to redo. Again, suppose I deleted this and I want this, so I can click on this, undo from quick access toolbar. Or if I thought that earlier it was okay, so I can click on redo also. Redo. So undo and redo. Undo means going one step back to reverse your command, and redo means just opposite of that, to going back. Means deleted by mistake. What you can do now? You can simply click undo button. And if you thought that earlier it was okay, click on redo. So this is the undo and redo. Checking spelling and grammar. Word has built-in dictionary and set of grammatical rules to check the spellings and grammar to the text document. In MS Word, you can check spellings and grammar. Incorrectly spelled words are displayed with the single red wavy line under them. The grammatical errors are indicated with green wavy line. The spell check starts from the position of the cursor and checks the complete document. A simple method to check spelling of any word is as follows. Right click the word underlined with red wavy line. Shortcut menu appears displaying various suggestions. Select the correct spelling from this suggestion list. MS Word automatically replaces the incorrect spelling with the selected text. So, suppose this spelling is wrong. So, computer will show this with a red line. What you can do? You can simply right click on this. It will show you the suggestions. You can click from here, computers. Or grammatical mistake is shown by green line. So right click and click on the option. It is corrected. And the spelling mistake, red line. Right click, select the options. So this is the way. And you can click on spelling and grammar, and the computer will check. CPU, it will give you the suggestions also. If you don't want, you can click on ignore once. Then it's like this, or you want like the suggestion. If you want to replace, you can click on change. If you don't want, click on ignore once. In defense, it is correct, then it's okay. Ignore all, you can click or you can change all. And autocorrect also option is also there, and click on close button. So like this you can correct the spellings in your document. Using Thesaurus. Thesaurus helps us to improve our vocabulary by providing a list of synonyms, words with similar meaning, and antonyms, words with opposite meaning for any word. Follow these steps to use Thesaurus. Select the word for which you want to find the synonym or antonyms. Click the Review tab. Select the Thesaurus option in the Proving group. The Research Task pane opens and displaying the synonyms and antonyms. Move the mouse pointer to the suitable word. Click on the drop-down button present on its right side and select the Insert option. The exiting word will be replaced and with the selected one. So suppose I selected this, click. Now I clicked on thesaurus. Now computers, so it will suggest you the suggestions. You want processors, CPUs, mainframes, supercomputer, any of the word. If you want PCs, laptops, notebook, history of, suppose you want notebook, so right click and click on insert, and the word is replaced. So this is the way how we use the thesaurus. Look again, suppose if you want history and you want, click on thesaurus, history, and past, antiquity, and the time, and what you want, account, narration, story, chronicle, if you want any, or description, just click. Insert, and the word is replaced. I hope so you understood all the points. So we studied about the shortcuts, how to making changes in a document, how to do editing, how to do formatting, how to move text, how to copy text, how to delete text. We learned the insert mode, overtype mode in this chapter, and we learned how to add text in your document, and how to correct the spelling mistakes and grammatical errors in this document. So your chapter is finished now. Rest. I will soon upload my PDF file for question, answer and exercise. Till then, take care. Have a nice day.